This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, Alabama. This is it. Here's your chance to buy one of the last of a dying breed, a true American sports car. Check out this 2022 Chevrolet Camaro LT1 RS loaded with the technology package. 455 horsepower, 6.2-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This thing is just like new. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got crazy low miles. Around back, dual exhaust, backup camera, RS badging, LED tail lights, factory spoiler. Gorgeous 20-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Goodyear Eagle run flat tires. Honestly, it's got very little room in the back seat, but that's not why you're buying this car. It's Summit White with jet black interior. Color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps, really cool LT1 badging on the fender. LED daytime running lights, LED headlights. Cold air induction on the hood. Optional red Brembo brake calipers. It's equipped with passive keyless entry. Power moonroof. Optional red accents in the door panel. Optional suede and leather dual power Recaro bucket seats. Optional red seat belts. Trunk release, power windows, power mirrors, incredible Bose sound system, power locks, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, automatic headlights, in the wheel, paddle shifters, cruise, audio controls, Bluetooth, and trip computer functions. Here's the best part. Only 1,200 immaculately well cared for one-owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, heating and air controls, console shifter, USB ports in the console, factory owner's manual, key fobs, trunk release, remote start, Carfax vehicle history report. The original window sticker has even been framed. Auto dimming rear view mirror, power moonroof controls, and OnStar. If you'd like to know more about this 2022 Chevrolet Camaro LT1 RS with the tech package, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.